Hey guys, I'm in Destin, Florida. I'm shopping with my wife, and I gotta tell you, every single time I come into a store, it just amazes me. You know, one of the topics that's been coming up a lot lately is innovate or die. And in fact, we got a bunch of Generation Z kids that we've been here spending part of spring break with down here, and they've been asking about what is innovate? What does innovate really mean? But guys, innovate or die, it's companies like Toys R Us. They didn't innovate, okay? They didn't do anything new or fresh, and they went out of business, yet they own the entire toy industry. You know, in life and in sports and anything, I told them it's just like their lacrosse team. Their team this season can't be the same team at the end of the season than it was at the beginning of the season. Otherwise, you're not going to succeed. You've got the NCAA Final Four this weekend, and same deal. All these teams, I guarantee you that Auburn, probably maybe those guys in the team thought they'd be here, but a lot of people never thought they'd make it. But Auburn, they innovated. They're not the same team they were at the beginning of the season versus the end. But guys, all these retail stores, all these companies, they are not innovating. They literally are not treating Amazon like the competitors that they are. Amazon is going to take over this entire retail industry, and all you have to do is point, click, and it shows up at your doorstep. Yet I'm standing here in a store and people don't come up to you. They don't talk to you. They don't ask you if they can help you. They don't try to help you make a selection. It's just the way that it is. And if these companies don't get smart soon, they're gonna lose their business. They're gonna be out of business because people are gonna go online and they're gonna shop, they're gonna buy. If they don't like it, they're just gonna send it back, but that's just the nature of the beast. But these businesses, these brick and mortars, they're spending a lot of money to be here, and if you don't train your people, if you don't train them to interact and connect and sell, you're gonna go out of business. So, I'm standing here in an H&M, and like any other store, we're in this mall, and all of these stores, they all have the same problem. Innovate or die. If you don't, you're gonna be out of business. Train your people.